Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Abyssinia here and I am back with another recipe video. Today we are going to be making brown butter pumpkin pie. Let's get started. Alright, let's get into it. Make sure you check the notes below and the recipe below for the exact measurements. We're going to start by browning our butter. So grab a pot and then add your butter. Cook this on low heat and continue to mix your butter to be sure that it doesn't burn. You want browned butter, not burnt butter. Alright, there you go. This brown butter smells amazing, tastes amazing, and it's really going to transform our dish. Next step, our batter. You want to add all of these ingredients to a nice size mixing bowl. I'm using freshly grated ginger because that's what I have on hand. And I prefer over the ground ginger, but if you only have ground ginger, use the powdered ground ginger. Vanilla extract. Guys, no imitation vanilla, please. If you must, sure, but it definitely does not taste the same. Alright, go ahead and mix everything together. I'm using a hand mixer. You can use a whisk if that's what you have. It will get the job done. Next step, add your room temp heavy cream along with your sweetened condensed milk. Give that a good mix until everything is well combined. And then you want to add your eggs one at a time. So add one egg, mix everything together until combined, and then add another egg. Repeat this process until all of your eggs have been added. Last but not least, add your browned butter. Go ahead and fill your prepared pie crust with your batter. Guys, I missed a step. I was supposed to add the nutmeg in earlier, but better late than never, right? Alright, so I'm using grated nutmeg here. Again, if you have ground nutmeg, that will work perfectly fine. Go ahead and bake your pie at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The exact cooking times are listed below. Place your pie in the fridge to cool and then serve it. So you can serve this pie warm, room temperature, or cold. Now this recipe I did using pumpkin. I usually do sweet potato. That's usually my go-to, but I wanted to switch it up and try pumpkin. So this is definitely interchangeable. If you don't like pumpkin, then use sweet potato. All right, there you go. A nice slice of heaven. And on top of that, look at this perfect holiday spread. I will link those recipe videos as well. Go ahead and check them out and let me know your thoughts. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video.